Appears that the piston does not respond during use. Take out the screws. Remove spring steel balls. Clean with rust remover. Place the spring steel balls. Tighten the screws. Spin out body handle. Spin out oil plug. The oil plug will be tighter. It can be opened with the help of a tool. Drain out waste oil. Remove the O-ring from the oil reservoir. Remove the oil reservoir. Remove filter plug. Cleaning magnets with rust remover. Open the screw. Clean with rust remover. Place the steel bolts and tighten the screws. Placement of filter plug. Put on an oil bag. Install the O-ring. Fill up with oil. Install the oil plug. Install the body handle. Quick operating handle. Confirm if the tool is being used properly.